Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Monday, November the 4th, 2013. We're looking at the Russell 2000 Small Cap Index. We talked about it on Thursday last week. We had a pullback going on in the markets, and that I wasn't interested in anything that didn't pull back to the 50-period moving average, or at least to the middle Bollinger Band line. Well, a lot of the different charts that we track for you guys didn't do that, so we went looking for the one that did, or the ones that did. And the Russell 2000, of course, was one of those that did. So on the weekend, we marked it, indicating the black arrow indicated if you had a confirmation the following day. The following trading day, you would, of course, use that, and you had that. So that was your big buying opportunity. You're looking for a test at this high and probably take it out. You don't have actual peak signal here. So be looking for this to continue to move higher. You can keep a tight stop off the low here, off the low of the hammer candlestick formation there. It gives you, this is your risk, and then your gain would be a continuation to move higher. Remember, we are in an uptrend right here, so that's what we expect to happen here, just a continuation there, all right? One way that you can get a rough estimate of how high you're going to be moving there, simply to take the high point that you have on the trade before, and then the low point here, and then we're just going to measure that distance right there. So we have this continuation right here, right? Going like that. Let's go ahead and mark this one as well. And what we'll do here is we'll just look at this high point down to this low here, because we have previous history here, so we can kind of mark that like so. And you measure this down to here, and you measure that out mathematically, and add that to the breakout point. Tells you about how high you'll go before you get a peak, all right? And so that's about roughly what you get. Remember, it's just a rough estimate. It's not supposed to be exact science here. So then we're going to do the exact same thing all over again. We'll use this right here, and then we'll measure this distance here, and we'll say that out the other side will be roughly like that, okay? And you can get an idea of how that works. If you've not been to the free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free. All we ask in return, please wear pants when you're on our website. No, that's not what we ask. Please refer a friend. I believe that's what we ask. God bless, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.